as we were saying before, St. Patrick's Day, right around the corner. It's Sunday. We're days away.
It's the New York City Half Marathon as well.
Yes, it is. We did some research on a few of our favorite celebs to find out who's got the luck of the Irish in their veins. Some results that came in, certainly a little surprising. Tell them.
Robert De Niro. Did you know this?
No.
3 of his grandparents are Irish. In 1962, he hitchhiked through Ireland to search for his distant relatives.
Good for him, Bobby.
I don't know if he found them.
Bobby D.
Bobby D.
Okay. Also, Pitch Perfect star Anna Kendrick shared that her family's original last name was McGinn O'Connelly. Hyphenated or just McGinn O'Connelly? McGinn Connolly.
Sure.
So Kendrick was allegedly a made-up name they chose when trying to find jobs in the United States.
A lot of immigrants did that.
Yep.
Do you have any Irish genes in your family?
I believe my father has a little bit of English-Irish on his side.
Sure. The boy's dad has a little bit of Irish.
The boys are Irish, yes.
The Didios have some Irish.
Okay. Are you?
I am not. I am Boricua.
Boricua, 100%.
All the way. All the way.
Everybody's Irish on Sunday.
That's right. As we mentioned, Sunday, St. Patrick's Day, and our next guest is sharing some delicious dishes you can make to celebrate. It smells delicious, too.
It does. I'm excited about this. Joining us live this morning, once again, is chef and culinary artist Ashton Keefe. Welcome back, darling. Always a good time when you come because you complete the whole thing for us.
The whole thing.
Thank you. I love being here. This is going to be fun. And also, Irish food gets such a bad rap.
Yes.
It shouldn't.
It shouldn't. This is a really light, easy dish. So we're gonna make a chicken shepherd's pie. Also Pie Day. Didn't even think about that when we did that.
This is the savory pie. Now,
first of all, before we get into it, do you have any Irish in you?
I am. My middle name's Colleen, so Colleen Keefe is pretty much as Irish as
That's
you get.
That's pretty Irish.
Child.
That is pretty Irish.
And I have green shoes on, so that...
You know what? At some point, we got to get the shoe cam because
They're
these
stunning.
shoes are gorgeous.
Yeah.
Now, a chicken shepherd's pie. I can't say I've ever made one of those.
No.
No, so this is gonna be easy.
Okay.
We have a bunch of vegetables. So these are the things that you have on hand. We have mushroom, celery, onions, carrots, all the good stuff. And you just saute this up. And the good thing about this, it's one pot, one pan, one pot, one dish.
Only one thing to clean up.
Makes
That's
it really,
exactly where my mind goes.
Really easy. So this is all gonna saute. I put a little salt in here. A little bit of kale if you want.
I know.
And then this is cool. We're gonna make, well, I'm gonna let this cook down. Magic of TV. Let this cook down. I'm gonna deglaze it with a little bit of wine that I've also put right there for you guys. So this is a San Simeon Chardonnay. This is like a departure from the green beer on Sunday that we don't need to drink. This is Monterey County, under $20 from the Rivoli family.
Thank you. Oh,
delicious,
that is nice. Very nice.
right? And it's gonna cut through the fattiness of this. So I'm gonna let this all kind of simmer here, and then I'm gonna make the roux in the pan. So that's the thickening agent. You'll see this in like a pot pie or whatnot. But basically, I'm gonna add butter to this, which is like everything's better.
Everything's better with butter.
And then flour. So you let this all kind of cook down and get nice and delicious and kind of unctuous looking. And then we've got the filling right here. And what we can do, so we can make this, you know, as complicated as you want or as simple as we want. And so I like the fact that shepherd's pie traditionally will have meat that you have to stew for hours and hours.
Like
and
a
hours.
lamb or a
That's
chuck or a this.
It's too much. So we're gonna use chicken, but I have about 2 cups of chicken here. You can do rotisserie chicken.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right?
You see this business?
I love it.
So easy.
This has my name all over it.
Or you can use like whatever protein you have from the week. Like say you made like
like
pork
ground
or
turkey.
turkey, sausage, anything that you have. So this is kind of just like a blank canvas. So you mix this together. Again, not the most attractive at this stage, but you know.
Shepherd's pie rarely
Shepherd's
is.
pie, that's why you go for it.
That's right.
And then I have a play on a Irish soda bread, but for the topping.
So no mashed potatoes.
No mashed potatoes. I mean, who wants to like peel, boil,
If I
smash?
Listen, I'm gonna try this, but I might get the door slammed in my face because my family likes a mashed potato and a biscuit.
Your family should eat whatever you make then.
That's
true. That's actually true. And say thank you.
Please
Phenomenal
and thank you.
cook. Phenomenal
so
cook.
this is an Irish soda bread.
Yes, so it's a topping. So you guys will see. We're just gonna put this in the food processor. We've got flour. Dump that in here. Flour.
Wow.
We've got butter.
Again, everything's better with butter.
I mean, we're in Ireland,
What are
so
we
you have
making?
to do butter. This is the topping.
Oh,
so
the topping.
This is the topping. Baking powder, baking soda, and then
Buttermilk?
Milk.
Or just
You
regular
can
milk?
You know what? I did regular milk, but you could add about a teaspoon of vinegar
To
to
turn
make
it,
it buttermilk. And then I just take the topping. You guys will see it comes out like crumbles, and I just crumble it right on top, and it bakes at 375.
Once you do you have to put it in the refrigerator? Or you
You
just
just
take it
go
right
right
out?
on the top.
Oh my goodness.
Because you're not really
This is
concerned about
easier
it.
than mashed
You're not really
potatoes.
concerned about it rising in a
No.
traditional biscuit way
Right.
because it's going to be a topping. But yeah, that's about it. And then I pair it with this really bright green pea salad. That's
Which
peas,
is really pretty.
sugar snaps, and pea tendrils.
That's
Oh,
nice.
man.
Delicious, light, and so this is like not this heavy Irish St. Patrick's Day feast that you think.
This is the Irish dinner that I'd like.
Right?
You like this one?
Yeah.
Now, once you put the topping in, pop in the oven?
Yep, 375 for about 30 to 45 minutes, just however your oven is kind of like regulated.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you have the finished product. I feel like it would be a waste to not try it.
Right?
Don't you
Give it a try. And then I love this salad too. Like I said, this also transitions into spring, so Mother's Day, baby showers, brunches. It's really light. It can sit at room temperature. It can be in hot or cold.
And what is in this pea salad?
This is sugar snaps, a little bit of shallots, pea tendrils, and sugar snap peas. I might have mentioned that. Right? Light and delicious. And also the wine kind of cuts through the fattiness. And you don't wake up on Monday, you know, with a green mouth. And
we're pairing this with this wine. Tell us again what's happening here.
So this is a wine from Monterey County, Paso. And it's delicious and nice, light, refreshing. You got guava, apples. I like to call Chardonnay the shoulder season wine. So you're not into like these like light rosés or Sauvignon Blancs in the summer, and then you're kind of past the dark reds of winter, but you want something that's warm and filling, like the shoulder season.
Wow.
Ashton, I needed you in my house the other day because I was like, I need a transition.
Yeah.
From a heavy Pinot to a rosé.
Yep.
I found it.
Here it is.
You got it.
There.
Right
it
in the
is.
nick of time.
$20.
That's it.
Sustainable too. All sustainable.
Fantastic.
Speaking of language.
Yep.
Fantastic. Amazing.
I'm trying to shepherd's pie.
Are you going to call Ashton to come over and cook for you guys on Sunday?
Maybe.
You're a phenomenal cook.
It's very possible. I like this.
I mean, this salad is very nice, light and refreshing.
Right?
I love this full round, and it's green.
Lots of vegetables. Lots of vegetables.
Lots of vegetables.
Beautiful.
You can use store-bought. You can use a leftover chicken.
Yep.
Careful with your roux over there. She's steaming over there.
I know.
Is this
Ashton?
your menu for Sunday, Ashton?
You know what? I'm working on Sunday, so I'm not doing this.
You know
I don't even know what I'm making on Sunday. but
We'll make this for
We'll
her.
have to check it.
You guys
Yes.
can
We'll bring it
You'll
over.
drop it at her house.
Yeah.
Right?
Always so great to see you.
Good to see you,
Thank you
too.
so much. Can you step outside so we can see your shoes?
Oh yeah.
Look at the shoes. Look at the shoe game. Look at this shoe game. Hello.
Got to bring the
Hello,
green.
gorgeous green sparkle.
Fantastic.
I feel like I'm going right to Emerald City with those.
I know, I have the same thing.
Listen, we're going to share this recipe on our website. Go to pix11.com and click the New York Living tab for it
That's
all.
right.